Hey, what is up, guys? This is Guardian Chris with Guardian Airsoft. Today we're at our good old usual spot, Gamepod Combat Zone in Antioch, California. Today we're playing Game Mode Grid with our new Army veteran friend, Callsign Titan.
Yeah, we've got him stuck on here.
There's Devin.
Look, pull back, pull back.
This is gonna hurt, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Hey, hey, hey.
Wait, right side corner, right side corner.
Contact right corner. Yes, sir. Rounds down, rounds are down, rounds are down. Come on, right corner.
Right corner.
Right corner. Reloading.
Friendly on the right, be advised.
Yes, sir.
Enemy suppressed, enemy suppressed.
Enemy suppressed, pushed up, enemy suppressed.
Enemy suppressed, move up.
I'm watching your six, I'm watching the corner. We got Demmit coming up on the right corner. Everyone, right corner, suppress. Push up, red team up, push up.
Watch it, get over here.
Sir. Oh, shoot.
There's an enemy contact right there. Ready?
Sir.
Fuck, right there, back.
Back. In the building.
Moving behind you.
Suppressing fire, suppressing. Reloading.
Go, I got you.
Sir. A hit. Sorry, bro. Is that you, Dex? Is that you, Dex?
What?
There you are. 12 o'clock.
I'll watch behind. You got front?
Right on you, sir.
Shout out to our new team member, Shane. This is his third time only airsofting and he already understands the importance of communication.
Ah, shoot, they're crossed over.
More possible to go this way?
So I'm not hitting them.
Hey, Chris.
Sir.
Great car.
Chris.
You got a guy hiding behind it.
Right behind it?
I can see his foot sticking out. No. Center. In an intersection.
Oh, in the intersection. I got you, man. I got you.
At North Wall, there are so many doors and windows, which is very crucial to have really good communication skills. As you can see, my teammate let me know that there was an enemy hiding behind the car that I did not see.
Come on. Tango down. We got him out. The guy on the car's down. Tango down. Get him back up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you'd like to see when I release new videos, make sure you hit the little bell right there and also subscribe to our socials, our Instagram pages. Stay tuned for new videos as we'll be showcasing more of the teammates from Guardian Airsoft. Until next time, I'll see you out there, guys.